Hello everyone, welcome to week 4. This is a big week for us in this class because we're going to be talking about APA formatting, and then more importantly, we're going to be talking about your research paper, which is going to be due coming up in the next few months. So it's on October 31st, I believe, when that's due. So if you click on this link right here, it'll bring you to a page that shows you the guidelines for the APA research paper. So you're going to have a research paper, of course, in this course. You're going to write on something healthcare related, and you're also going to have a video which you'll upload to, speak to your paper after it's due. But the first thing that we're going to work on, of course, is the paper. The paper has to be at least 5 pages in APA format. We're going to talk about APA format in regards to the styles, because there's a style 6 and a style 7. This week we'll review style 6 because it's an introduction, and then next week we'll review style 7. So the paper is going to be talking about something related to healthcare that you enjoy. You pick the topic, you do the research, and you're able to find the information based on, credible sources out there. So, one example being Wikipedia is not a source. So I think this is going to be really interesting and fun for you. I think you'll get a lot out of it. Be sure to watch the video in regards to the content this week in week 4. So be sure to watch the lecture, and it's going to talk about APA 6. And there is a ton of information in there in this folder that talks about APA format, where to find information, how to help you along the way. It also has information here of how to research. So Google Scholar is how I recommend researching because it's one of the easiest. Google is something that's fairly simplistic to use. Then you have a screen recorder here that's free. I think that'll be great to use if you need it in relation to your video. And I know this is going to be really overwhelming, but if you start now in writing your paper, it's going to help you along the way. And to help you get started with that, the homework for this week, the only thing that you have to do is to begin drafting your personal research paper. And you have to give a draft to me by 9:26 at midnight. So that's next Sunday at midnight, 9:26 at midnight. So that gives you a little bit of time to get that done. So the homework I'm looking for, and I'll put in the directions a little bit further, just a rough draft. It can be an outline. It doesn't have to be a full 2 to 3 pages, but if you begin work on it now, get as much done as you can. That'll be super helpful for you. Spend time in this course content section. Review everything as you should. Take your time in reviewing the material, and then I know for a certain fact that you'll understand. If you don't, I'm happy to meet with you via Zoom. I've already done that with a few students, and I think that's been helpful so far. Reach out if you have any questions. I appreciate all that you're doing, and I look forward to reading your rough draft on 9/26. Thanks.